Before we begin, find a quiet, comfortable spot where you won't be interrupted. Dim the lights if possible, sit or lie down, and practice this daily, especially before social exposure or at bedtime. Consistency builds powerful subconscious change, and if intense anxiety arises, gently return to your breath or stop and try again later. There's no pressure. I am here now, in this safe, private space, ready to release social anxiety and welcome ease, confidence, and natural connection. My body settles comfortably, supported, secure. Nothing to do, nowhere to be. Just allowing relaxation to happen naturally. I breathe in slowly through my nose, filling my belly first. Then my chest, drawing in calm, peace, safety. I exhale slowly through my mouth, releasing tension, releasing fear, releasing old patterns. In, calm. Out, letting go. 2 more breaths. Slower. Deeper. It gets easier each time. I bring my attention to my feet. Notice any tightness. And I allow my feet to become heavy, relaxed, grounded. This heavy, pleasant relaxation flows upwards into my calves, knees, thighs, melting away any stored anxiety, softening everything. It moves into my hips, pelvis, lower back. Stomach is softening. Chest opening. Breathing slow and natural. Shoulders drop, heavy and loose, far from my ears. Arms grow heavy. Elbows, wrists, hands, and fingers relaxed. Neck softens. Jaw loosens. Teeth part slightly. Tongue rests comfortably. Face relaxes. Forehead smooths. Eyes calm and heavy behind closed lids. My whole body now feels deeply relaxed, warm, safe, peaceful, drifting deeper with every breath, every moment. As I count slowly from 10 down to 1, each number takes me twice as deep into this calm, receptive state, where positive change happens easily. 10. Sinking gently. 9. Deeper, more open. 8. Body heavy, mind quiet. 7. Releasing old fears. 6. Safe, drifting. 5. Halfway, deeper still. 4. Very peaceful. 3. You're profoundly relaxed. 2. Almost there. 1. Deepest level now. Completely open, ready for freedom from social anxiety. In this deep state, I imagine a beautiful, completely safe place. A place where I feel totally at ease. Perhaps a quiet beach, a peaceful forest, a cozy room, or any place my mind creates. I notice the details, the colors, sounds, sensations, the feeling of complete safety and calm here. I breathe in the peace of this place. Let it fill my body, my mind, my heart. I can return here anytime simply by thinking of it and breathing. Now, gently, I allow any feeling of social anxiety to appear, perhaps as a color, a sensation in my body, a memory, or just a feeling. I observe it without judgment, like watching clouds pass. This anxiety once tried to protect me, to keep me safe from judgment or hurt. I thank it quietly. Thank you for trying to help. I appreciate you, but I don't need that protection anymore. I am safe now. I choose calm instead. With each slow exhale, I see this old anxiety softening, shrinking, dissolving, flowing out of my body like mist, drifting away, farther and farther, leaving me lighter, freer, and calmer. Any physical sensations, tight chest, racing heart, flushed face, soften and release with my breath, replaced by steady, easy breathing, relaxed muscles, cool, calm. Now, in this receptive state, my subconscious mind fully accepts and strengthens these new truths. I am safe in social situations. My body knows how to stay calm, relaxed, present. I accept myself fully, exactly as I am. And others accept me too. I am worthy of connection just as I am. When I enter a room, speak to someone, or join a conversation, I feel a warm, quiet confidence rising naturally. My voice steady, my smile genuine. My presence is relaxed. I focus on the moment, on the other person, not myself. And this makes everything easier, more natural, enjoyable. Social interactions flow easily. I listen with interest, share when it feels right, and people respond positively because I am warm, kind, and authentic. Any old fear of judgment fades quickly, replaced by curiosity, openness, and self-compassion. Every time I face a social situation, even small ones, I grow stronger, calmer, and more confident. This builds automatically. I attract positive, kind connections, friendships, conversations, because I radiate calm easily. I deserve to feel comfortable around people, and I do, more and more each day. Now I imagine myself in the near future in a social situation that once felt challenging. Perhaps meeting new people, speaking up, being in a group. I see myself calm, breathing easily, smiling naturally, engaging comfortably. I feel how good it feels. Light, free, enjoyable. I notice others smiling back, responding warmly, the interaction flowing naturally. This positive scene strengthens, becomes my new normal. My mind and body remember it and make it real. I have done powerful, kind work for myself today, releasing anxiety, welcoming confidence, opening to ease. These changes grow stronger every time I relax like this, every time I breathe, every social moment. If this is for sleep, I now drift into the deepest, most restorative sleep, carrying this calm confidence, waking refreshed and at ease. If I'm returning to my day, I count gently from 1 to 5, bringing all this peace and strength with me. 1. Energy returning lightly. 2. Feeling calm and open. 3. Present and aware. 4. Eyes ready. 5. Fully awake, refreshed, confident, ready for connection. Breathe deeply once or twice. Stretch gently. Smile to yourself. You've taken a brave, beautiful step towards freedom from social anxiety. You are worthy of feeling at ease around others, and your mind is now helping you get there, gently and powerfully. Practice kindly and celebrate every small win. You've got this.